Are you coming to Dublin and thinking about taking a cab to get to the Dublin city from the Dublin airport? Then this video is for you. If you're looking for more cheaper options to get to the city from the Dublin airport, then I have made a dedicated video that I've linked in the description below. In this video, I'll tell you all that you need to know about taking a cab from the Dublin airport. So let's get started. Taking a taxi or a cab can be the most convenient option for you when you want to get straight to your destination in the fastest way possible. Taxis are much faster than buses, and it can be a good option for you if you have a lot of luggage that you want to take straight to the destination without worrying about making multiple transfers. You can book a taxi by using the taxi app. There are several taxi operators in Ireland that provide you with taxi apps using which you can conveniently book a cab at a pre-estimated fare price. There is also an option for you to pre-book cabs for a specific time. Some of the popular taxi apps are FreeNow, Uber, Bolt, and Link Taxis. Regardless of which terminal you come out from, you can only board the hired cab in the car park that is located in Zone 18. Zone 18 is not that far of a walk from the terminal exits. It usually takes you about 3 to 5 minutes from both Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. You can easily find the boarding location by following the walking direction in the app. If you have a lot of luggage, then you can easily take them on the luggage trolley till the car park. Another traditional way of taking a taxi is by walking up to the taxi rank. Taxi rank or taxi stand are designated areas where taxis queue up to wait for the passenger. You will easily find taxi rank outside Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 by following the taxi sign. Taxi ranks are situated much closer to the terminal exit than the car park zone. When you get to the taxi rank, stand in the queue and wait for the next cab to arrive. You can also opt for meet and greet service where the driver meets you inside Dublin airport right outside the arrival gate holding your nameplate. There are several private companies that provide you with meet and greet service from the Dublin airport. Certain hotels also provide you with meet and greet and airport pickup facilities. So if you're accommodating at a hotel, then it's always good to check for these options. Fare prices may vary depending on if it is a predetermined flat fare or a metered one. Either way, it's really difficult to determine the exact fare. Even if you're booking the cabs online, most booking apps provide you with an estimated fare range and not an exact fare amount. I have also had experiences where the actual fare ended up being slightly over the fare range, but it's usually within the range. You can pre-calculate taxi fare ranges by using the taxi fare calculator that I have linked in the description below. If you're taking a cab from the Dublin airport to the Dublin city, then roughly you'll end up paying somewhere between 25 to 35 euros. Just a note that all taxis are metered and drivers are obliged to print receipts upon payment. You can make payment by either using cash, debit or credit card. Most taxis are also equipped to accept contactless payment by using services like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Regardless of how you pay, always agree on the payment method with the driver in advance for a hassle-free ride. When it comes to tipping taxi drivers, it is not something that is commonly done, but it's a good way to show some appreciation. There are different taxi types that you can choose from based on your convenience. A normal taxi can accommodate at least 3 people excluding the driver. If you are traveling in group, then you can opt for Taxi XL, which can easily accommodate about 5 to 8 people. Then there's also accessible or assist taxi type, which provides for wheelchair access. Certain taxi apps also provide you with priority cabs for faster pickups, and you can also choose premium cabs that come with high-end black cabs. Here are some tips to save money. If you're traveling in group or find people that are going in the same way, then think about cab sharing. Splitting fare prices can at times cost you as much as a bus fare or even cheaper. If your destination is somewhere in the south of Dublin, then think about taking a bus until the nearest drop-off point. From there, you can hire a taxi till the destination. This can save some money if you're not on a time constraint and if you're not worried about making multiple transfers. So that's it. That's all you need to know about taking a taxi from the Dublin airport. If you want to explore cheaper options to get to the city, then check out my video that is popping up now. If you have any queries on today's topic, then please feel free to leave your comments below. Also, I would love to know your travel experience in Dublin, so don't forget to let me know in the comments below. By the way, I'm Deepthi and I make videos for people who come to visit Dublin. Don't forget to show some love by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video if you have found it useful. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you next time.